Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Grace and my channel's name is Grace Lynn. If you are tuning in for the first time, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey. So today's video is basically how I use this to help get my face from looking like this to looking like this. Okay, so first things first, disclaimer. This video is based on my personal experience. I'm not an esthetician. I'm going to share with you how to use the Dettol to help clear your acne, the quantity, and basically throw off some myths about using this thing. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to say is please do a patch test. It's important before you try any product to basically try it on your skin. So a patch test is basically you, whichever way you're going to apply a product, apply it first mostly to your arm, around here, and see how your body reacts to it before placing it on your face, because it's your face, you cannot all right. The second thing, always dilute your product. Always dilute this thing in your bathing water. I've heard videos of people saying, oh, put it in like a bowl and then use like a cotton wool and apply it to your face. Please do not use this thing directly on your face in any way. There's a quantity and there are directives based on what is written here for you to use. So make sure you go through with the quantity written on this in your bathing water. Do not put it in a plastic container and try to apply it to your face. If you're sensitive, or if you have cystic acne like I did, the last thing you want to do on your face is irritate it more, and this can cause a lot of irritation if not used properly. So the most important thing is to make sure that you use it properly. We are trying to get something good out of this and not cause another problem. So how I use it is put it in my bathing water, a cup full of it in my bathing water as when I was using it. When I had cystic acne, it was really bad and I really wanted to get rid of it. So I put a cup full in my bathing water and shower with it whilst I lather up my body, cleanse my face after everything. So the reason I would advise that you put it in your bathing water is because when I was going through that process, it just occurred to me because it was a different environment and I wasn't sure as to the last time the tank in that place was cleaned. People really don't clean their tank. So like the borehole thing that we have, I don't know, the borehole thing that we have in most houses here in Nigeria, most people don't clean it frequently as they should. I think it's supposed to be at least twice a year or 3 times a year. I'm not sure, but most people don't clean it. They keep it there and then only take it out when it's spoiled. All the bacterial gunk in the tank flows through the pipe to your bathroom, and so it's also causing some sort of reaction on your face. That's why some people, when they move to a different place, they're always complaining, oh, I'm reacting to the water. Usually the tank has one problem or the other. The water source is not good. Now, in order to prevent that, most of the time when I go to places now, I always have this with me to avoid those kind of reactions on my face. So it's important that you put it in your bath water. I was using this morning and night in my bath water. I never ever used it directly on my face because my face was already irritated based on cystic acne. So I battled with my acne for like, I think a month. Yeah, a month was when the whole thing was really serious. You should check out my one product video here or here. Actually here. You should check out my one product video where I talk about the one product that really helped me clear my acne. But this definitely also helped. The next thing I'm going to say whilst you're using this, and it's super important, you have to moisturize your body. This thing is very drying because of how concentrated it is. It's very active because it's meant to disinfect things, and for that reason it's very drying. I don't know what is inside this thing, but it is drying, and so it is important that you don't create a problem whilst trying to solve another problem. So do well to moisturize your body, replenish the oils that have been lost in the bath process, and that way your body is not overproducing oil to compensate the oil that you're taking off, and this is drying you out. So in order for your body not to overproduce oil, do well to moisturize your face and your body after using this. So after I'm done having my bath with this, obviously I'll cleanse my face, treat my face with the acne product, and I moisturize my face. So basically that is how I do it. Please do not, I don't know how to emphasize on this, but please do not use this directly on your face. It will burn your face. You're going to have something like this. You're going to have skin burn, and that is like creating a problem in the process of solving another problem. What's the point? Don't use this as a toner. Just don't. Use this just in your bath water. So finally, to get that glowy glass skin, I woke up like this. It's from a good skincare regimen. This is not going to give you glowy skin. This is not going to give you glass skin. But this is going to help the process of getting to the glowy slash glass skin. Because that is the point we all want to get to. And basically that is it. So if you want to clear your acne, this is going to help clear the process. This is going to help just fasten the process, but this alone is not going to give you that perfect glowy glass skin that you want. You need a good skincare regimen, and this is currently my skincare regimen that I use. So just a brief recap of everything I said. Make sure you use it based on the directives written behind, and secondly, make sure you moisturize your face. Do not use it directly on your face. And finally, this is not going to give you a glowy skin. Get a good acne or dry or oily skin regimen. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I would see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.